Welcome. Please join us on a tour of this historical Montecito remodel by Allen Construction. The original Norman Revival style home was designed by famed architect George Washington Smith and built in the 1920s. The rear yard, which had been significantly devastated by the mudflow, is now one of the most eye-catching parts of the home. It includes a pool with spa, fire pit, plenty of lounge seating, and a small outdoor kitchen and barbecue. The wall of windows in the refurbished sunroom showcases spectacular views of the mountains, the garden with antique yellow roses, and a new resort-style backyard. This whole house remodel first required rebuilding a portion of the home that was destroyed by the Montecito Mudflow, bringing life back to this historic gem. Portions of the home were reconfigured to accommodate the owner's needs, and the entire home was upgraded with modern features and finishes, while honoring the architectural integrity of the home. Thank you for joining us on a tour of this historic Montecito residence.